If you'd rather watch today's class on your laptop, it's pretty simple. Open Zen Planner on your phone. Tap on today's class. Join today's class. Please make sure that you've got Zoom installed on your phone. Once you're in today's class, tap up on the top to copy the link to today's class. Send yourself a text message with the link to today's class in it. Head over to your laptop. Open up your instant messaging. Find the message you just sent yourself. Click on it. Wait for it to load Zoom. And then you can sign into the class. And there you go. Pretty simple.